श्री अभिजीत गंगोपाध्याय जी, श्री अभिजीत गंगोपाध्याय जी।
पहली बार
for giving me this opportunity to speak in the Parliament of this country. I express my thanks to our leader Narendra Modi ji and all other senior leaders and all my friends here. This is my maiden speech in this house. For the whole day, since when the budget debate has started today, I am hearing this. But I never understood how the opposition who are attacking this budget could say such superficial words in respect of the budget. This is, after all, a budget of a country which is a sovereign country, and not only that, a democratic country. They should know first that, or they should have noted this first, that in this budget, first, there is a reduction in the standard reduction in income tax. None of them have indicated, for the reason I understand that in any budget, the opposition will never speak or never praise the budget, whatever be the foolishness there in their speech, they will say all. But they are, after all, seasoned leaders, unlike me, who is coming from a judiciary, a judicial character or career for last nearly 30 years or more. This standard deduction, when it has been reduced, they should know that this will bring a huge quantity of money from the coffer of the employed persons. Why I am saying from the employed persons? Because the standard deduction is applicable only to the employed persons who are mostly middle class and lower middle class people, and it is not applicable to the businessman. So when a large amount of money will come to this market, a huge demand will be made, will come in the market along with the money. I do not want to compare it with the bottled demon, because some persons want to keep the demon again in the bottle. But however, this is a hugely powerful wave which will come in this market, pumping into the industries, then to the agricultural sector, raising demand. The demand will be raised. Now here, what I have not heard from the opposition, any single sentence from economy or economics. They are all strewn with the data, and data. When some amount of money comes to the hand of the general people, then a question comes, which part of it will be saved by the person and which part of it will be spent for consumption of goods. In economics, it is known as MPS and MPC. MPS means marginal propensity to save, and MPC is marginal propensity to consume. It has been proved time and again in the economics of all of the countries that marginal propensity to consume is always higher than the marginal propensity to save. That means if a person gets 100 rupees more yearly or monthly, then if he is not a wealthy man, here we are not talking about the wealthy man, we are talking about the service sector. Service sector people are not wealthy man unless they take huge bribe. That if 100 rupees is increased, he will spend more than 50 rupees out of this extra income, extra disposable income. That is disposable income which is shown and can be shown to the tax officials. And the other part, the smaller part, say 40 or 60, sometimes 10 only out of this 100 rupees will be saved. Now, if this is the question of microeconomics, the macroeconomics says savings equal to investment. Savings equal to investment. So a part of the money which will be pumped in this country by way of reduction in standard deduction from taxes for the service people of service sector, they will start demanding and purchasing huge goods, maybe consumer goods, maybe other goods, maybe services. Services include the tourism, services include good treatment, services include other intangible things which a person can get. And the savings part will go naturally to his banker. Their savings equal to investment conception will show that the banker will have huge amount of money for giving loans to the industrialists. So how my learned friends of the opposition missed this point? Neither they were seeing the woods nor they were seeing the trees. They were only rebuking the budget proposal. When the banking sector will get extra money, they will definitely, brother, please try to learn.
Sir.
Yes, try to learn. You do not know, please try to learn. Yes.
Please,
Yes,
please.
shout, shout.
Please.
That's the only thing you know. Yes, that's the only thing you know. Howling, howling and howling. That's the only thing you know, I understand, by these 2-3 days.
Please carry on.
Yes. So I must ignore the shouting.
Yes.
So I'll request them to learn if it is not known to them. When huge amount of money will come to the market in the form of investment, new industries will be grown, will be set up, for serving the extra demand. This demand-supply equation, which will come into the market from the unleashed, pumped, huge amount of money from the middle class, lower middle class section, it will definitely change the face of the economy, which my learned friends were missing. As I have said, they were missing the woods and also missing the tree, everything.
Okay, please conclude.
Now, I'll go to the budget proposal, some part of the budget proposals.
Gangopadhyay ji, please conclude in 1 minute. गंगोपाध्याय जी, आप 1 मिनट में समाप्त कीजिए, प्लीज प्लीज।
अरे पहली बोल रहे, बोलने दीजिए सर।
मेडन स्पीच।
Who want me to conclude? I have not told anybody to stay here. Please don't talk like a stupid, sir.
Please, please.
You neither know Gandhi, nor
Gaurav ji,
nor Godse.
please. Let us see the procedure.
Please,
We'll see the
please.
procedure. We'll see the
Please
procedure.
keep your mouth
Please,
shut.
please. Okay.
Please keep your
sit
mouth
down.
shut.
Please sit down.
Then to open it and to be thought a fool.
Gaurav ji, please sit down. We'll see. We'll see the word. We'll see the word. आप continue
I
करो.
will request my learned friends, very learned friends,
आप प्लीज बैठिए. आप प्लीज मैं बोल दिया है.
to
प्लीज बोल दिया है.
understand.
बोल दिया है. Excuse गौरव जी,
I refer-
प्लीज माननीय मंत्री जी,
I'll refer to
प्लीज गौरव जी, प्लीज आप प्लीज सिट डाउन, प्लीज
I'll refer
Please,
to first.
प्लीज गौरव जी, मंत्री जी.
पूछा ऐसा है कि अगर कोई असंसदीय शब्द हुआ तो चेयर को अधिकार है।
मैं बोल नहीं दिया.
नहीं, अगर असंसदीय हुआ तो लेकिन आपने भी क्वेश्चन ठीक नहीं पूछा, आपने भी क्वेश्चन अच्छा नहीं पूछा गौरव जी, आपको ये क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछना चाहिए था। अभी ये बजट पे बात कर रहे थे, आपने ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछा, अगर कुछ असंसदीय हुआ तो चेयर को अधिकार है ना, आप इनको बोलने तो दो, आप रोक कैसे सकते हो? आप बोलिए।
आप प्लीज कंट्रोल.
The budget also
हम
proposes.
देख लेंगे. अगर
The budget also proposes.
1 मिनट अनपार्लियामेंटेड वर्ड यूज हुआ है तो हम निकाल देंगे. प्लीज आप प्लीज
And government
नो
has
प्लीज
stated, the finance minister has stated that special attention to MSMEs and manufacturing.
अगर एक बार
particularly labor
आसान से बोला
intensive
गया है,
manufacturing
आसान से बोला गया है,
has
प्लीज
been taken care of.
प्लीज कोऑपरेट. आसान से बोला गया है जी.
Why
Please.
labor intensive? Because it is the labor intensive technique which gives maximum employment to the unemployed people.
बोल दिया है, हम बोल दिया.
So when it comes to the question of giving employment, then
You please conclude. Please conclude.
very popular way to establish and to encourage the MSMEs, micro, small
Please, please,
and medium scale industries.
हम बोल दिया है ना, बोल दिया. प्लीज
Sir, let them shout, they only know that. also draw this House's attention to point 42 at page 8, that MSMEs help them grow and also compete globally, as mentioned in the interim budget.
बैठो बैठो बैठिए बैठिए प्लीज, मैं सुनता हूँ। हाँ एक मिनट बैठे।
I'll draw.
हाँ बैठिए। हाँ बैठिए बैठिए। हाँ बैठिए। आप पहले, आप सब बैठिए पहले। मैं समझता हूँ बात को क्या है। आप बैठिए। मैं विषय को समझता हूँ। एक मिनट, उसी विषय को समझता हूँ। पहले प्लीज बैठिए प्लीज। क्या विषय था बताइए। आप बताओ क्या विषय था। एक मिनट गौरव जी, एक मिनट।
अध्यक्ष महोदय,
हाँ
यहाँ पर
क्या बोला शब्द बताओ। आप तो
आप मार्शल से पूछे,
क्या बोला
आप मार्शल से पूछे,
आप बताइए ना क्या बोला। सुप्रीम बोला।
आप मार्शल से पूछे,
आप बताइए ना क्या बोला ऐसा।
सर ये आप इनसे पूछिए और आप रिकॉर्ड देख लीजिए। मुझे नहीं लगता कि अगर कोई अनपार्लियामेंट्री शब्द कहा गया तो उसी अनपार्लियामेंट्री शब्द को मैं दोहरा के इस सदन को और आपकी गरिमा को मैं धूमिल नहीं करना चाहता। और जो अनपार्लियामेंट्री शब्द है उसके लिए नए सांसद, प्रथम बार चुने हुए सांसद खेद भी प्रकट करना चाहिए। और आप अगर मार्शल ने आपको अगर दिखा दिया है वो शब्द क्या है, तो मुझे लगता है कि सरकार की तरफ से भी खेद प्रकट होना था। मुझे इनसे तो ज्यादा उम्मीद नहीं है, पर मैं अर्जुन मेघवाल जी से उम्मीद करता कि एक सदन के एक वरिष्ठ सांसद होने के नाते, एक मंत्री होने के नाते, अगर उनके सांसद से गलती हुई तो खेद आपको मंत्री महोदय से मैं आपसे अपेक्षा करता हूं। उनसे तो मैं करता नहीं हूं। आप बड़े हैं, आप सभापति पे आए हैं, जो खेद प्रकट करना।
ओके, मैं देखता हूँ। एक मिनट, मैं सारा विषय देख लूंगा, लेकिन माननीय सदस्यगण, मैं सबकी भावनाओं का आदर करता हूँ। कई विषय हम ऐसे चर्चा में लाते हैं जिन विषयों को किसी पक्ष को नहीं लाना चाहिए, और विशेष रूप से मैं आग्रह करता हूँ कि हमें सदन के नेता के बारे में या सदन के किसी भी मान्य सदस्य के बारे में कोई भी बात कहते समय बिना प्रमाणित विषयों को नहीं कहना चाहिए। किसी भी सदस्य के बारे में भी जो विषय आया ध्यान में आपने डाला है, उस विषय को मैं देख लूंगा। आप मेरी नहीं, मैं देख लूंगा। मैं देख लूंगा। Honorable member.
Yes, I'll draw my attention to page 10 of the budget speech, to paragraph 51. Here it has been stated, internship in top companies. Now, an internship allowance of ₹5,000 per month, along with a one-time assistance of ₹6,000 will be given to the intern. These will again boost up the market. This will again
सर माइक नहीं आ रहा सर। rules to be observed while speaking, 352A(7), a member while speaking shall not utter treasonable, seditious or defamatory words. सर लिखित में है सर आपको हटाना है सर। इसमें
सदन में पढ़ चुका 352, लेकिन मैं देख लूंगा सारे विषय को। मैंने बता दिया है।
So when this extra amount again will come to the market, it will again create demand and it will again create investment. Again, in page 9, I draw this House's attention to point number 46, which is Mudra loans. The limit of Mudra loans will be enhanced to rupees 20 lakh from the current 10 lakh for those entrepreneurs who have availed and successfully repaid previous loans under the Tarun category. These loans will again be invested in the manufacturing jobs or service sector or in agricultural sector, which will enhance the market demand
मैंने देख लिया
and supply. So this is a fully a budget proposal for the common man. The other day, one gentleman was playing with the picture of Lord Shiva. Instead of taking shelter under Lord Shiva, he should take the side of this common man.
No, please. No.
I saw this common man.
No, please नहीं.
Instead of playing under the picture of Lord Shiva, their leader Mr. Spaghetti.
उनको समझा रहे हो तो आपके नेता को समझाओ, वो भी फोटो लेके बहुत आते हैं. उनको मैंने टोका है, उनको भी टोका, इधर भी टोकेंगे. नो, ऐसा नहीं है. उनको भी रोका है, इधर भी रोकेंगे. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. कोई को पोस्टर लेके आने की इजाजत नहीं है. 8 बज गई है. 8 बजने वाली है, खत्म होने वाला समय है. मैंने उसको कार्रवाई से निकाल दिया है.
4 castes. One is Garib, another is Mahila, another is Yuva, and another is Farmer. I do not think there should be anybody who can say that this caste system, as has been indicated in the budget
8
proposal,
बजे तक समय बढ़ाया ना.
will be removed and is to be removed. It is not done.
8 बज गई है. सभा की कार्रवाई कल गुरुवार दिनांक 25 जुलाई 2024 को 11 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है.